Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. This is for mathematics, class 4th, chapter 2, money. This is our lecture number 2. Topics to be covered: preparing bills, exercise 2B. Clear? In exercise 2B, now we will solve question number 2. Prepare bills for shopping at different venues. Part A, stationery shop, 3 notebooks at rupees 12.55 each, 4 pencils at rupees 2.75 each, and 3 erasers at rupees 3.50 each. Clear? So beta, you have to prepare bill. Okay. Making a bill is simple. After entering the quantity, item and cost, just multiply the cost by number of items to get the total and add up the total to get the grand total. Okay. See here beta. First of all you have to prepare this format. Okay. Now in this format here in the first box you have to write quantity, here description, then cost per item, and here you will write total cost. Clear? Understood beta? Now here stationery shop, 3 notebooks at rupees 12.55 each. स्टेशनरी शॉप पर 3 नोटबुक्स हैं और एक नोटबुक की कॉस्ट है ₹12 पैसे 55. Okay, so quantity of notebooks is 3. Write 3 here. Description notebooks and cost per item rupees 12.55. Okay, and here 4 pencils at rupees 2.75 each. और कितनी पेंसिल्स हैं स्टेशनरी शॉप पर? 4 पेंसिल्स, और ईच पेंसिल की कॉस्ट क्या है? ₹2.75. सो क्वांटिटी 4, डिस्क्रिप्शन पेंसिल्स, कॉस्ट of per pencil is rupees 2.75. Clear? Now number of erasers at stationery shop 3. Cost of each eraser rupees 3.50. So quantity of eraser 3. Description erasers. Okay. Cost of per eraser is rupees 3.50. Okay. Now what will you do? You have to just multiply the cost by number of items to get the total cost. Then you have to add up the total to get the grand total. Clear? Now here beta, cost of per notebook rupees 12.55. Okay. So you have to multiply 3 by rupees 12.55. Okay. 3 5 the 15, write 5 here, carry 1 here. 3 5 the 15 plus carry 1 16, write 6 here, carry 1 here above 2. 3 2 the 6 plus carry 1 7. Before writing down 7 you have to put point here, then write down 7 here. 3 1 the 3, write 3 here. Then you have to write unit rupees here. So total cost of notebooks is rupees 37.65, means rupees 37 paise 65. Now here beta, cost of each pencil is rupees 2.75. Then you have to find out the cost of 4 pencils. Then you will multiply here rupees 2.75 by 4. 4 5 the 20, write 0 here, carry 2 here, 4 7 the 28 plus carry 230, write 0 here, carry 3 here above 2, put point here, 4 to the 8 plus 3, 11, write 11 here. Then you have to write unit rupees. So cost of 4 pencil is rupees 11. Clear? Then beta, you have to find out the cost of 3 eraser. If each eraser cost is rupees 3.50, then you have to multiply here rupees 3.50 by 3. 3 0 the 0, write 0 here. 3 5 the 15, write 5 here, carry 1 here. 3 3 the 9 plus carry 1, 10. Before writing down 10 here, you have to put point, then write 10 here. Okay, you have to write unit rupees also. Then cost of 3 erasers is rupees 10.50, means rupees 10 paise 50. Clear beta? Now you have to add up the total, okay, to get the grand total. अब आपको rupees 37 पैसे 65, rupees 11 और rupees 10 पैसे 50 को प्लस करना है. सी ओके, 5 plus 0 5 plus 0 5, write 5 here. 6 plus 0 6 plus 5 11, write 1 here, carry 1 here above 7, then put point here beta. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 0 8 plus carry 1 9, right? 9 here. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus carry 1 5, right? 5 here beta. Okay, you have to write unit rupees here. Clear? Now our answer is rupees 59 paise 15. This is our total. Clear? Exercise 2B. Part C. Vegetable shop. 2 kg potatoes at rupees 4.50, a kg. 1 kg tomato at rupees 7.50, 250 gram ginger for rupees 7.80. Okay, now beta, you have to make format for preparing bill. Okay, now here in the first box we will write quantity, then description, then cost per kg, and here we will write total cost. Okay, at vegetable shop, 2 kg potatoes at rupees 4.50 a kg. वेजिटेबल शॉप पर 2 kg पोटैटोज हैं और पर kg पोटैटो कॉस्ट इज रुपीज 4.50. Okay, so here beta, quantity of potatoes is 2 kg, description potatoes, cost per kg rupees 4.50. Clear? 1 kg tomato at rupees 7.50. So quantity of tomato is 1 kg, description tomato or cost of 1 kg tomato rupees 7.50. Clear? 250 gram ginger for rupees 7.80. Okay, quantity of ginger 250 gram. Description ginger. Cost of per kg ginger is rupees 7.80. Okay, now multiply the cost by number of items to get the total and add up the total to get the grand total. Okay, so here we will write total. Clear beta? Now here cost of per kg potato is rupees 4.50. Then you have to find the cost of 2 kg potatoes. So you will multiply here rupees 4.50 by 2. 2 0 the 0, write 0 here. 2 5 the 10, write 0 here. Carry 1 here above 4. Then put point here. 2 4 the 8 plus carry 1 9, right? 9 here. Okay, now cost of 2 kg potatoes is rupees 9. So write rupees 9 here. Clear? Now beta, cost of per kg tomato is rupees 7.50. You have to find out the cost of 1 kg tomato. So rupees 7.50 multiplied by 1 equal to rupees 7.50. Clear? Here beta, cost of per kg ginger is rupees 7.80. You have to find out the cost of 250 gram ginger. Okay, so here beta with the 250 unit gram is written, which is a smaller unit. First of all, we will convert 250 gram into kilogram, and kilogram is our bigger unit. When we move from smaller to bigger unit, we always divide the given number by 1000. Okay, so here we will divide this 250 by 250 kilogram by 1000. Okay, so 250 gram upon 1000 kilogram equal to 1 upon 4 kilogram. 1 upon 4 into rupees 7.80 equal to rupees 7.80 upon 4. Now we will divide rupees 7.80 by 4. Clear? We have to divide this 7 by 4. 4 1 the 4, write 1 here in the quotient. Okay, and with 1 you have to write the unit rupees also, and 4 here below 7. Now we will subtract it. 7 minus 4 3, write 3 here. Bring down this 8. Okay, so number formed by these two digits is 38. Now you have to divide this 38 by 4. Okay, 4 9 the 36. First of all, you have to put a point here, then write 9 here in the quotient, 36 here below 38. Now you have to subtract it. 38 minus 36 equal to 2. Write 2 here. Bring down this 0. Okay. Number formed by these two digits is 20. Now you have to divide this 20 by 4. Okay. 4 5 the 20. Write 5 here in the quotient and 20 here below 20. Now you have to subtract it. 20 minus 20, 0. Write 0 here. Okay. Now cost of 250 gram ginger is rupees rupee 1 paise 95. Rupee 1.95. Clear beta? Now you have to add up the total to get the grand total. अब आप रुपीज 9, रुपीज 7.50 और रुपीज 1.95 को ऐड करोगे. Clear? 0 plus 0 0 plus 5 5, write 5 here. 0 plus 5 5 5 plus 9 14, write 4 here, carry 1 here above 9. Okay, now you have to put point here. 9 plus 7 16 plus 1 17 plus carry 1 18, write 18 here, and you have to write unit also. So total is rupees 18.45. In another way, you can say that rupees 18 paise 45. Clear? Today's homework is you have to do exercise 2B, question 2, part B in notebook and revise example of page 20. Clear? Question 2 of exercise 2B is prepare bills for shopping at different venues. Part B, sweets shop 8 rasgullas at rupees 3.25 each. 6 pieces sandesh at rupees 2.50 each. 9 pieces wheat halwa at rupees 5.15 each. 8 pieces gulab jamuns at rupees 4.95 each. Clear? You have to prepare bills. Clear? Now we will discuss homework solutions. Exercise 2A, which I had assigned in the previous lecture. Question number 8. I have 950 paise coins. I spent rupees 2.50. How much money is left with me now? Clear? What does it mean? बेटा मेरे पास 50 पैसे के 9 कॉइन्स हैं. ओके, और मैंने ₹2.50, ओके, मीन्स ₹2 पैसे 50 खर्च कर दिए. ओके, अब मेरे पास कितने रुपए बचे? So what will we do here? See, first of all we will write solution here. Then we will write statement total money equal to 9 multiplied by 50 paise equal to 450 paise. Clear? Equal to rupees 4.50, means rupees 4 paise 50. Clear? Then money spent, मैंने कितने रुपए खर्च किए, equal to rupees 2.50, means rupees 2 paise 50. Clear? Now money left with me now equal to rupees 4.50 minus rupees 2.50 equal to rupees 2.00 equal to rupees 2. Clear? This is our Answer rupees 2. Have you cross-checked? Now beta in homework solutions, exercise 2A, we will discuss question number 10. What change will you get from rupees 20 if you buy 8 crayons for rupees 2 each? What does it mean बेटा? आपको ₹20 में से कितने रुपए वापस मिलेंगे जब आप 8 क्रेयॉन्स खरीदते हो और एक क्रेयॉन की कॉस्ट है ₹2. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन. कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 crayon equal to ₹2. Total money spent on buying 8 crayons equal to ₹2 multiplied by 8 equal to ₹16. Money left equal to ₹20 minus ₹16 equal to ₹4. This is our answer, ₹4. Clear? Now in homework solutions, exercise 2A, we will solve question number 9. Mom gave me ₹10. Dad gave me ₹5. My sister and I divided the total money between us. How much did each of us get? What does it mean? मॉम ने मुझे 10 रुपीज दिए और डैड ने मुझे 5 रुपीज दिए. मैं और मेरी सिस्टर, माई सिस्टर एंड आई मीन्स मेरी सिस्टर और मैंने टोटल मनी डिवाइड कर लिए. ओके, तो आपको बताना है कि हम दोनों को कितने कितने रुपए मिले. क्लियर? So first of all we will write solution here. Total money given by mom and dad equal to ₹10 plus ₹5 equal to ₹15. Money received by each equal to ₹15 divided by 2 equal to ₹7.50 means ₹7 50. Clear? So answer is ₹7 50. Or in another way we can say that ₹7.50. Now in homework solutions, exercise 2A, we will solve question number 11. How many 50 paise coins make ₹9? Okay, what does it mean? इस क्वेश्चन में आपको ये बताना है बेटा कि 50 पैसे के कितने कॉइन मिलकर ₹9 बनाते हैं. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन. नंबर ऑफ 50 पैसे कॉइन्स required to make ₹1 equal to 2. 50 पैसे के 2 कॉइन मिलकर क्या बनाते हैं बेटा ₹1. देन नंबर of 50 paise coins required to make rupee 9 equal to 2 multiplied by 9 equal to 18. Okay, so our answer is 18. ओके, कितने पैसे 50 पैसे के कितने कॉइन मिलकर 9 रुपीज बनाते हैं? 18 कॉइन्स. क्लियर बेटा? अंडरस्टूड?